Love it. I was in full control the whole fucking time. Supermoto meat will spin out on you and leave you on your back with your crack facing your sack. That didn't make any sense, but neither will how you look after the crash. This is the first ride after I just changed the rear brake pad, which is recommended from Electro & Co. to do when you change new rotors. For example, getting the big wheel kit, 14 inchers, any of the aftermarket wheel and tire packages do come with their own rotors, but they don't come with pads. You'll have to buy those separately and install them. The installation's real quick and easy. And then your first ride, you're gonna be bedding those suckers in, which is seating the rotors to the new pads, making sure that they wear evenly on each other. So that's pretty much what this video is. Me having a good old time on Betty White. You're gonna see for yourself. I don't need to. You've got eyes, ears, and an asshole, so you're gonna be able to absorb everything I'm about to throw at you. This is where you gotta go back in the house, honey. Try and bed this rear brake in. Oh, that's already better. Here's some dogs. They sound happy to be here. Something's ticking around. I hate that. How you doing? Damn, I thought it would peel out there, but it didn't. It just kind of pinned the traction and gave it to me. Oh. Oh man, this thing is a thing of beauty and kind of a beast, you know? Maybe that's where they got the term for it. It was all on one bike. My arm hurts a little bit when I do those little... Oh cool, I can fucking lock up the rear wheel now. That's awesome. That's how it should be. Love it. No matter the time of day, it can be 12 o'clock for you. Oh, yes it can. You almost went back too far, you son of a bitch. You shut your barking ass up, sir, while I can suck some water down. And this comes from an avid dog lover. You politely shut your trap, sir. Oh, God. Oh, God, that's good. You know, I got my tool set on me. I actually want to kick out the brake lever a little bit. Shouldn't take but a second. In the field maintenance. It's easy. Bullshit. I think it comes with the... It's really unfortunate that I can't adjust that on the fly. I swear there's at least one thing crawling on me right now. That's okay. There's an actual game going on right here. I don't know how close we want to get. Holy shit, that was long. That was a long song I just sung. The song of the wheelie, basically. Ooh. Oh, you can definitely lock it now. The pads are coming in. A lot of games, a lot of people, a lot of stuff, a lot of sand right here too. Hey, how you guys doing? Good, man. Every day another little chunk of this glory gets taken away. So I never realized how instinctively far back in the seat I'm always sitting in this thing. It's like never in the meat of the seat where there's padding. Oh yeah, these freaking rear pads are way better now. I do still want to adjust the lever out more, but it's giving me more confidence to want to dabble with wheelies. Damn, that was good. Crispy and fresh. Yep, rear brake do be getting better. A little skiddy skid skid. Don't be so mid. Got a little bit spinny on me. She's getting a little spinny and surprising me. If you're not careful, that supermoto meat will spin out on you and leave you on your back with your crack facing your sack. That didn't make any sense, but neither will how you look after the crash. It's up there pretty high. That felt good. Now that one I fucking came forward with my body weight, like I leaned forward basically instead of rolling my shoulders back into the upright wheelie position, which I just demonstrated almost into the street. No, I'm just kidding. I was in full control the whole fucking time. Didn't like two things about that. One, that was power wheelie chasing at territory, and two, I slammed her down pretty freaking hard. Yeah, this thing, it wheelies good. I don't, but it does. So when I do, we'll be a great team. Okay, that wasn't in the balance point, but it was getting there. Coming back around for wheelie practice. Car didn't know that, but he's about to find out. What is that noise when it comes up like that? Is that the chain starting to slip or something? I don't like it, that's for sure. We just had a truck turn in behind us. Must have been my body position. Not on a leash or anything, but he looks like a good boy. He's just staring at me, protecting his property. Almost sounds like the chain's slipping off the sprocket when I crack it, but I don't know. Alexa, cave on. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? I was just admiring your nice put together garage.
Thank you. It took a lot of time.
It looks good.
Thank you.